Yo, up? What's goody? What's goody? We're just gonna dive straight into it. I know it's been a while, but this is supposed to just be business. So here we go. Just gonna do a quick charting session because I do have to go, but I want to look at some of these that look interesting to me. So starting off with SPY, like we have lots of liquidity that needs to be answered all the way down here. So looking at this ascending wedge following this trend here, I would expect us soon to have a breakout. Now obviously we just have to wait for it, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting there. We shall see. We shall see. That's like a big trade, so it could do something like this to where basically, yeah, we just need to wait for this breakout from this point. I mean, it could go and take in 696. That would be crazy. But yeah, just be vigilant. When it sells hard, and a lot of things going on in the world. So that's my first trade thesis. Second, I really like VST here. Looks like a great stock on the weekly. I mean, on the daily, it's following trend here. Meta just signed a contract with them, so I'm pretty bullish on this one. I'm actually buying shares. I think it could probably go to 250. I'm just buying lots of shares right now. Tesla in this order block right now. I want to see what it does. Still following this trend. If it does follow this trend, I think it gets bullish, answers some of this liquidity up here, all the way at 470, in which I would want to be in. So kind of waiting for this order block to be invalidated there, and then if we break out from this descending wedge, I think up to the upside. Next, MSTR. I do really like on a daily. If it comes lower, comes to retest out of this order block, I think it's a good time. I mean, either way, it's a good time to buy long term. Who knows what's going on? Who knows what Bitcoin is, honestly? So, like, kind of trade this one, but also, like, if you put low risk in there and it has the possibility, I mean, just generally speaking, if someone told you, hey, if you hold on to $200, it might turn into $500 in a year or two, you might do it. So, cashed in on this one. Been holding TSSI for a minute. Cashed in on this one. I'm still waiting to see if it follows this descending wedge. So I actually sold my contracts here. I could have held on. I really could have held on and been up ridiculous. That's on me. I had these 7.5 calls, guys, end of July. They're going crazy. My shares are going crazy too, though. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Kind of sick that I missed, but all good. ARM I'm buying. ARM is, guys, okay, fundamentally, just looking at it, 14 billion market cap, 1 billion shares out there, and only a tenth of them, 13% of them are out, available for the public. Let that sink in. 14 billion. This is a decent sized company here, man. Do your research. I think ARM is a big one. I still need to do more research, but yeah, fundamentally, technically, I'm buying hella to wait for a trade. Want to break out and retest. ServiceNow is interesting. Very interesting. It is just taking a dumper. So I'm interested in this one, especially with all this time period going on. I think materials and energy is going to be the biggest sector that I want to be in. You can see a lot of like service tech industries are kind of going down right now. ServiceNow, CRM, CRD also. But so yeah, just waiting to see what happens there. Potential good buys, but yeah. What else are we looking at? MP went, like I said, materials and energy, huge. Shout out to my guy, Omsky. Put me on. This one's a big one. Continuing on, ASML is going crazy. Still holding on here. We're up 90%. Insane. Same with Applied Materials. Materials and energy being the next biggest thing. NVO going crazy. Going crazy. Now, if you see, I had my trade here and it's going perfectly there. That's crazy, guys. Crazy. Crazy. I'm right there. I didn't play this one, but I'm right there. Just know when to capitalize. And this is why we're making these videos. Learn from your mistakes. Get better. ACN, I went ahead and cashed. Could be crazy here. But, yeah, I went ahead and cashed. I feel like there's probably going to be some type of pullback. And I'll probably rebuy some shares and just let it chill. Target, I really like. I actually sold my shares here. Took a gain, bought it here. This is a quick trade. As another one that's just kind of falling line. Once I see a breakout, I'll rebuy and hold for long term. But for now, taking those gains. Same with UPS. Home Depot went insane, and within a week, look at that. Yeah, slipped on that one. That's all right. Bloom Energy went crazy within a week. We saw it here, man. That's insane. 2 weeks ago. Insane. Mara has to do with Bitcoin. If you're, into that. I'm not really a huge fan of Mara, but I have a lot of buddies who are huge fans of Mara. Intel went insane, dude. Insane. Like, insane. So. Crazy work. Literally crazy work. Aqua, I think, is goodbye here. Regardless, I think it is a little overvalued. Could start coming down into this order block, which would be huge. Load it. Netflix also down. So a lot of things to buy right now as far as trade thesis is. I think, and I'm gonna write these down. Coin looks great here. Oh my days. Bro, are we playing? Are you having a laugh? That looks great. I like coin here. Who cares if it comes lower? If it does break out, come on now. Great trade here. Okay, let me write this down. Make sure I'll have this video to check back in on, but as far as biases are, coin looks great. All right, let's just keep going. Show you applied materials. Great point here. Look at that breakout. Oh my days, bro. We're up over 100% here. Bought here. Oh my days, bro. You can see my initial trade. Look at that, guys. Corweave is one to watch. Look at this descending wedge. Corweave was one to watch. It could continue. It could easily continue, and this would be my new take profit range. But that's crazy. Ooh, Corweave. Corweave could be nasty buy here, guys. Corweave could be a nasty buy. That would have been a great trade. Like a great trade. Look at this week. Look at this freaking week, man. 76 to. These are the trades we look for, guys. TSSI, we are in and we missed it. Okay, so let's get back to it. I don't think this is a similar situation. Because, like, whoa. Circle, bro. Whoa. Dude. Oracle looks crazy here. Could break out. Watching it. Potential trade. SMR as well. Just gotta watch these, man. I got a lot of liquidity down here, though. Like a lot. We'll see. Maybe he went insane. Tempest is one to watch. Tempest is one to watch right now. Look at this. Look at this. Tempest is one to watch. Hold on. This is an order block, but I'm gonna pass on it. Watching United Health. Could get a little bullish. I'm gonna wait and see. Oh my days. Some of these we've spotted way back, and they're just going crazy. Interesting one here. Interesting one here. Just quickly going through these guys. Some of these are low if you're into defensive. I think that's going to be it, guys. So yeah, SPY. You can see my ranges of dates as well. I could see it coming in here, getting bullish. But yeah, those are my top watches there, guys. Tesla, SPY, VST, MSTR, TSSI. ARM is a big one. Big one. And then as far as trades, some of these smaller ones. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I will catch you guys soon. We can do a deeper charting session on Sunday, but just wanted to make sure I get back at it, check back in let you know we're doing well. So far on the year, we're up. Small account. We're up 20%. A little bit more, actually. Large account, we are up. Let me do some math here. Let me do some math real quick. %. We're up 2% on the year. So slowly and surely, we're 2 weeks in. 2 weeks into the year. So I'm feeling good. Just gotta keep it up, I guess.